Let's see here. Oh, there's a lake right here that we haven't tried. You want to go try it?
Oh, I already been there.
Was it any good?
Ain't got no bass in it.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Backstream Outdoors. I am Johnny, and today we're at... Oh, we got company too. There's these guys. There's a Nicholas, and there's a Garrett, and we got some permission here at these ponds. I can't tell you where they're at. It's a secret spot. But there's a bunch of ponds, a bunch of big bass, and I think we're gonna get into them. So let's get at it.
Thanks for taking here, Dad. We always wanted to go. This is the best day ever, guys. Ah, whoa! Look at the size of that turd. Ooh, something just swatted at mine. Woo! Scared my fish away.
Hey,
Little guy.
he's a little guy. He's the same size as my fluke.
Oh, dude. Beautiful fish.
Yeah, the color in them is really good.
Let's go. Quality fish releases, only on Backstream Outdoors. Yep. Oh, yeah. Woo! A little bit bigger. Fish number 2, a little bit bigger. He's got some good color on him. Bank is bass heaven. Ah. Yeah. Swap it, got him. Stop it, man. Calm down. Yeah, as Nick says, Alaskan state record right there. Look at him. Woo! All right, we gotta learn from Nick and not do the release so bad. There you go. Other way, guy. He almost beached himself. Oh yeah, number 2. Numero 2. Hey. The little ones are awake, man. They're feisty. Looky there, looky there. Looking good. Look get bigger.
Oh!
I wish I could change my ringtone to the sound of a whopper plopper.
I mean, you probably could.
But then my wife would be like, why does it sound like someone wet farting?
Oh, oh yeah. Smile for the camera.
For real though, it's 2025. Where are the jetpacks?
Right?
Like at least for fishermen, right?
Right? Heck with that. Hoverboard.
Hoverboards, yeah, come on. Why do we gotta do all this walking? Gross. Hey Nick, can you teach me how to fish? Never mind.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Dang it, I caught a fish when I said that. Now it's gonna be like, Nick, teach me how to fish. Look at that cute little guy. I like those dark colors. Looks good. Let's let him go. Get bigger, buddy. Got him. Yeah, that's 37 now. For sure. There she blows. Hey, I didn't throw him like that. He flipped like that. That was his own fault.
Quality fish releases only on Backstream Outdoors.
Yeah, what he said.
See, there's one right here. Hey!
And he banked it. It popped off, but he got it. Hold on, let me get a zoom. Woohoo! Look at him.
Look how big it is, guys. It's like this big. Hold on, let me.
Wait, do it again, do it again. He got it!
We're so proud of you, Johnny.
Boy, they're soft in here.
I see that. Hold on, coming in for the action shot. Tell me, how do you do it, Nick?
Pure luck. There we go.
Hold on, I gotta zoom in on what matters.
Yeah, zoom in. It's really small.
Johnny, are you jealous?
Quality fish releases.
Hey.
Ba-doop. Yep. Oh, he's a fighter. He's a little pickle. He's a little pickle. I got a little pickle, guys. Look, I got a little pickle.
You know, like Harlan baseball says. They're ditch pickles.
Yeah. Woo! Hey, little guy. Doo-doo-doo.
Fish!
Johnny got a fish!
Where's he at?
Booga booga!
Woo! He's coming!
Dude, they fight so hard for all the bigger they are. I know, I thought he was like a 2-pounder. Yeah. Look how little.
One claw, white claw.
One claw McGraw!
So I told myself today I was going to try out some new baits. I wasn't going to break down and use a fluke or something I normally would use. But these guys were absolutely kicking my butt. So after about an hour and a half, I finally decided to switch to a fluke, and I started catching up slowly. We decided to go to a pond that was just up over the hill, and it was a total bust. So we're just going to skip over that and then go to the third pond.
I saw him turning the camera on. I was like,
We've been at this for 3 days. All we've had is one chomp stick to share. I ate it, I didn't share it, but the point is, we're ravished. We need to find this pond so we can catch a fish ASAP. We've got to cook it. We've got to make it, man. Not even sure where we are. Nick, where are we?
I don't know. I think we've been walking in circles for days.
Good thing we sprayed on bug spray.
Yeah.
No pond in sight yet.
No, we need a monkey climb.
Watch, there is a stick right there.
Okay. Ow, there's a stick right there.
Oh gosh, there's a stick right there.
I just almost
Hey guys,
did
I'm
the
gonna
same
take a break real quick.
What are you doing down there? What?
Help.
Hopefully it's not quicksand.
Mugu guy pan.
Boy, look how low this thing is.
Yeah, this terrain is all over, man.
But look how pretty the water is. I'm saying.
It's soft.
That soft, huh?
Well, good. So am I.
Oh jeez. Oh jeez.
Oh god. Oh god. Guys.
No.
If we go around, we can get to that shore.
I'll stay here.
I might go on an I don't know if I can go on an adventure this way, can I? Wow. I don't even like walking near that.
Yeah, I didn't either. If you look right there, it's already cracked.
Oh yeah. That's crazy. So this is my first time at these ponds. I only seen them from GPS. And that pond that we were just at was the one I was most excited about. But since the dam had broken loose, there was really no way we could fish it, so we decided to go back to the first pond.
The pond that we could.
We don't know if this one's hot. So.
I'd laugh if it actually was. And he just starts.
He's joking. He literally can't let go.
He's like, guys,
Go
guys.
ahead, fellers.
Oh.
Oh!
I gotta swing my rods.
Alright, Lord, give me a fish to lift my spirits. So depressing, you know? Huh? Yep.
It's almost 11.
Yeah, baby. What do you got on there? Nick. Luke. Luke. Move, Nick.
Oh, you just put him down.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Dang it, he's gone. Dang it.
I got another one.
It still counts. Double ding.
Whee! Boy, he hit so hard.
This one was right here and he kept missing it. I would slow down for him and everything. If you guys didn't get a chance to watch the last video, go back and watch it. Because the best of the show is the Berkeley minnow. And he ate me off. Berkeley, we're still looking for that sponsor. Hey, check your emails, man.
Yeah.
Hey! We got a ding!
I think that's all that's in here, boys.
Hey, I like catching fish.
They do fight really good, though, for all the bigger they are.
In case you didn't see that, I totally caught like 11 fish. At least one 12-pounder. Right, Johnny?
Yeah. Yeah, he did. I've seen it.
I think Nick caught a little 2-ouncer. Oh, what the heck? He stopped here just to screw around.
That's the tiniest fish ever, dude.
I literally walked over here just to mess with him and go, what are we catching over here?
Look how tiny.
Hold on, I'm coming. Dude, I thought that other one was a French fry.
Oh my
Look at
goodness.
this guy. I could barely fit my thumb in his mouth. That is bigger than him. God. Dude, he's gonna be fun to catch when he's 10 pounds.
Yeah.
All right, let go of my thumb now.
Bye-bye.
I was like, no way.
We started absolutely slaying at this pond on our second time around. A lot of them were just small, I mean half a pound, but we were just absolutely loving it. And Nick decided to make a lure change, and boy, let me tell you, it was a good idea.
We need Hank.
Woo! Oh, I got one. Oh, jeez. That's a big one.
All right, take it easy. Take it easy. Just bring him here. Just nice and easy. Keep tension on him.
Oh
Look at
my God.
Take it easy. Nice and easy, bud.
Oh, baby.
Dude, look at that.
Oh my
man.
goodness, baby.
Look at that boy.
When in doubt, throw it out.
Hey, hold him up.
Dude, I had to get my scale.
Woo.
Oh my goodness.
Dang. Woo. Let me see the mouth. Let me see that mouth.
Look at that sucker,
Yeah.
boys.
Look at it crawl.
I bet you he's 7.
Woo.
I'm going to say 6.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
I said today we were going to get into a
big one.
Look at the size of that dude. See the official weight.
£5.7.
Look at him.
Look at that.
Woo, look at that belly.
Pee-pee.
Look at that belly.
Measure him one more time.
5'7".
5.7 it is.
Good job, Nick.
Man. Dude, get a couple.
Let's get the thumbnail. Let's get the thumbnail.
Don't even got a
Do
long
the double
arm.
hand out. Do the double hand out.
Wow.
Look at that. Yeah, there's a thumbnail.
That is
Drop him
gorgeous.
down a little so we can see your face.
There we go.
Now
just-
hold him out. Now
yeah.
hold him out.
All right. Nice and easy. Just real gentle.
You get nice and easy put back, buddy.
I told you they were in here, man.
Yeah.
Oh!
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Wow.
When in doubt,
My
draw
little,
it out.
my little dink fell off and flopped himself in. I was just running with the camera.
Man, we should have kept your dink and used him as bait for that one.
I should have held him up to yours, man.
Man.
What?
Oh.
At first, I didn't think it was that big.
You telling me we did all that walking for nothing?
We could have just stayed here.
Johnny!
Sorry. All right, guys. What an awesome day we've had. Nick got his PB. What was the weight on that one again?
5'7".
5 pounds, 7 ounces. And Garrett, it's been good having Garrett here, man.
Caught a lot of dinks.
Yeah, we caught a lot of fish today. A ton. As you can see, it's raining and windy, and we're tired and hungry. So, as always, I'm Johnny with Backstream Outdoors. We'll see you guys next time. God bless, guys. Bye. Oh, man.
Look at that bass.
Okay, run. Guys, what did I just catch? Ah! Look at him. All right. Nice black.